Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we will discuss about Candlestick Momentum Trading Strategy. So basically candlestick trading is a dynamic strategy where you monitor the price of the last number of candlesticks and place your bets accordingly. In this example we consider Bajaj Finance where we apply momentum strategy to this settlement. Momentum trading is dynamic strategy which is completely based on the fact that a rising market will be followed by a rising market and a falling market will be followed by a falling market. So, we want to take advantage of the market web and optimize our bets by mentioning stop loss and take profit margins. In addition to the data in the Excel sheet, we have taken the data from 17th October 2017 to 29th May 2020 with the time frame of 15 minutes interval. This model is flexible and can be modified and verified to obtain different exit limits as per the risk appetite of the trader. In this lecture, we will discuss a framework for building the system piece by piece in Excel sheet. Now, let's move ahead with column D, where we need to calculate the maximum value of the last number of candles. So here we will use max functions with 6 periods, but you might find suitable parameters that provides higher profits than this return. So we have got the value here, then just drag and drop down, which will give the value for the remaining periods. Similarly, in column E, we need to calculate the low candle value, which means that the minimum value of the last number of candles. So we have got the value here, then just drag and drop down, which will give the value for the remaining periods. Here we have taken the 6 periods for both high and low candles. Now let's move forward to column F, where we need to calculate the trading signal. Now see at the formula bar, we are calculating the trading signals. If cell D13 entry is empty, then skip F13 and give buy signal for Bajaj Finance if C13 is higher than D13. Otherwise, if C13 is lower than E13, then sell signal for Bajaj Finance. Now next, in column G, we need to set the entry prices. Basically, this is the price from which the trading signal is generated. Now see at the formula bar, if H13 is buy or sell, then it has entry G13 similar to the price of C13. Now let's move forward to column H, which represents the trading position. Based on our estimates and input parameters, there can be 4 conditions such as buy, sell, taking profit and stop loss. Now see at the formula bar, if the entry in H17 is either blank or TP or SL, then select the value of F18, which means that the buy or sell or put an empty price in column F. Otherwise, look at the situation. If the entry on H17 is buy, it means that we have a buy position and we exit the stop loss position if the price goes below the stop loss limit, and if the price goes below, the take profit limit goes up and we take profit from the situation. Similarly, if the position is sell and the price exceeds the stop loss limit above the sell price, the exit the position at the stop loss and exit the position if the price exceeds the price margin below the sell price, then exit. Now let's move forward to column I, which represents the profit and loss position of the system. The profit and loss is calculated only when we close our position. Now see at the formula bar, if the first condition is called to proceed to the next, and if the corresponding condition of the column H is SL or TP, otherwise the sell entry is null. Suppose if the condition calculates the profit, then the stop loss or gain can be taken. Similarly, if the position in column H is buy, then the profit and loss is calculated as C13 minus G12. Note that the G column contains the price of the trade that you have taken and the C column contains the Bajaj Finance closing data. So the profit and loss is only the difference between the price you sold and the price you bought. If the position in column H is sold, then the profit and loss is calculated as G12 minus C13, which means the difference between the price you sold and the price you subsequently bought. Here the gap closes the positions. So this is the cumulative chart. Now see here on the performance metrics that are tabulated on the Excel sheet. So finally the loss from all loss making trades is 16,649 and the profit from trades that hit taking profit is 18,691. So the net profit and loss is 2041. Now see here, the profit and loss that I have calculated is based on price, is not mentioning the order quantity. That's why the 2041 is the net profit and loss. So you can try by multiplying the order size. Thank you.